Okay, we are actually in Lincoln Park in Chicago. This is like in the backyard of my former stomping grounds at DePaul, just like right down the street there. What we're gonna do is go to the 606, that's Humboldt Park, and I'm gonna fly my drone in Humboldt Park. Apparently there's an island in Humboldt Park, and I'm gonna film it and you're gonna see it from the drone. Let's go. How amazing is this? Whole street is closed off. Look at my privilege. Bridge is out. Okay. I mean, it's good for bikes. Bridge out. Yeah, normally it's like packed with cars. We got like privilege. You see that? Love you.
I want you to be mine.
And here we are at the top of the sundial. To the end of the 606. They are going to continue it over there. We're gonna put the drone right up in there so you can see it. I placed my drone in the center of this beautiful, massive sundial structure. It's so gorgeous. It was designed by an artist named Frances Whitehead and astronomers at the Adler Planetarium. The name of Bloomhenge is attributed to on the Bloomingdale Trail, like Stonehenge, following the path of the sun. It frames the sunset on the first day of each new season, which would be the summer solstice, winter solstice, vernal, and autumnal equinoxes. Now I see I could have gone even higher. How to use my drone. I'm still learning. The name Bloomingdale Trail, aka 606, aka my very favorite trail in Chicago. There's so many, I know, but yeah, I hope you enjoy. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, I'm trying to make it to the island before it gets dark, but I already see the moon. We're gonna see if we can use the drone over here. I may have got it too late. We'll see. We made it to the island with a little bit of sunlight. So just over there is the island. I'll get the name of it. And we're in this beautiful structure where I always see weddings. I always see weddings here. But it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna fly my drone and see what we can see. Okay, let's go. As you can see, you sadly can't see anything at dusk with the DJI Fly 4K Mini. I would love to also now find a drone that can record at night. It still has moments that you can see hints of the lights. I was up so high, I really almost lost my drone. At this point in the video, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out, it's getting too high, it's dusk, I can't see it anymore. I don't know where it is, I'm panicking, I'm like moving the knobs and trying to figure out how to get it back. But luckily, it's smart enough to return to home base. Keep practicing, keep swimming.
I thought I lost you. Amazing.
Okay, slight freak out. I really thought I lost the drone. I thought I lost it way up there. And then the battery was draining. I get an alert returning to home base. Oh, it knew to come back. Oh my God, like,
Always freaking out.
The other thing I learned is you can really take good videos at night, or even at dusk, sorry. Because now we're gonna go home, okay? Just calm down. Hope you had fun with me. That was so exciting. Even though my drone was like almost epic fail, so it's okay. We're practicing. Let's go!
Hey baby, all I want is to be loved by
Protected bikeway in Chicago. Protected bikeway. Love it.
Thank you to all my awesome subscribers, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time on another episode of Live Cycle Love Teach.